Guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. This is your boy Case Malls. Yeah, guys, let's do this. Tomorrow is NFP, and you know, guys, I'm always giving you NFP analysis before it comes, guys. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna analyze US 30 and Nasdaq for you and German 30 if I get more time. So yeah, I don't want to make this video to be long, guys. If you like this content, subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. Yeah, let's get into it without wasting more time, guys. So yeah, let me see. Today I decided let me start on a weekly time frame just to see the most important turning points basically on a weekly time frame. So this is what we have. I'm gonna just put this here. I'm gonna just have my highest point there. Come back and have another one here. I see this one. We got another movement here. Gonna look at it. I don't see anything so far. Let me just open. I think this is another broker coming in here. I made my analysis here. I got my nice trades coming from here up until somewhere here, guys. So yeah, enough of that. Let's see what's gonna happen with the Nasdaq or US 30 this week on our NFP. So yeah, guys, we're going to identify our turning points. Let me put it here as well. This is on a daily time frame. Looking at it one more time. I want to analyze the most important ones, guys. Most important, guys. So that when we come back, we know where we are going to be executing our trades and our setups, guys. So yeah, I think I saw a very nice trend as well. Guys, you need to understand that I'm doing this with you at the moment. I haven't analyzed this before. So this is an analyze. I see we had a bounce there, one, two. The third one give us a fake out there. So can I start it from here? Yeah. Or we can just say because there we saw a 360 rule there. Yeah, but we can just put it like this. So this is our daily time frame. Just going to see another one on the below side. What we having some sort of a falling wedge, or yeah, and a falling wedge is a Polish pattern, guys. So we need to always look for buys here. So let's see what's gonna happen from this side. It's some sort of a cone with the falling wedge inside. So it's an open falling wedge. So there we go. We got that. I'm just going to go to the smallest time frame, which is our H4. What I'm going to do in my H4, I'm just going to specify other zones there that we had basically. So let me see this zone here on a small time frame. So we also had this zone as well. So this is the zone. Let me know this one was most important basically because we turned two times here. So let me just put it like this. What did I do now? Okay, here's the zone. We saw the market reversing from there two times. I'll just take out this and leave the zone because yeah, it's too far there. We just know where we're going to be turning if we go down. So that's basically what we have at the moment. What did we have here? Where is this one coming from? Let me just go back to the daily and see where that one is coming from. It's coming from this one. It doesn't look nice. I'm gonna take it out on the H4. So we're gonna go H4, specify the zones, put it here, and then we're gonna put it here as well. Let's see what we have, guys. Let's see what we have. We're gonna go to H1. We saw the market breaking down to this one, the triangle came back. It broke out this zone. So I'm just gonna create another zone here just to know what's gonna happen because we're gonna have a big movement tomorrow, guys. It's NFP. We know how NFP goes. Big movement. There we go. So we saw the market playing around that, broke out, came back and retested. Now we are going. Let's see where was the TP from there. Pacheco is giving me issues there. It's busy texting me. So there was a TP, but it broke it. And then, yeah, I see the TP was on top of another zone that was created, which is this zone. So we are getting zones after zones here. So guys, we are breaking down this thing level by level. Once we get to the last level, you will understand how we get our entries and how we get to attack this market quickly. So from there, what's going to happen? I'm going to create another trend inside this trend. So this is a trend that I'm seeing. We're seeing, is it a 360? If we see a reversal here, we're going to see a 360 bounce here and then coming back. So let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to put it from there, this side as well. There we go. We've seen a call. So I like to see this kind of analysis because mostly if the market breaks out from here and then we know our next zone is below this target here, which is around this price zone. So if we know the market breaks down from here and comes back here, we know that our buys will be somewhere here. And then once the market comes back inside the trend here, we know that we're going to be breaking to the upside all the way up to the start of our trend, which is the target of our falling wedge. Every time we break out from the falling wedge, the target always becomes the top of our wedge. So that's basically how it's gonna be here. That's what I'm seeing. Let me see if I'm breaking it down to more. What are we gonna see there? I see some little candles there. Let me just put it on 15 minutes. So 15 minutes, we saw a zone as well here. I don't know if this is going to hold, but it's a small one here. It's for scalpers, guys. So we're seeing a break. It was a breakout, came back, retest. Now we're back to that zone, guys. So we don't know what's gonna happen there. It's a small zone. Um, it's just for us to see what's gonna be happening in the immediate short term, guys. So I'm just specifying this. So we saw once we see this kind of movement, guys, we know that okay, if this is a breakout, we're gonna be breaking to the downside. But now, if it's a fake out, once we come back inside, we're coming back to do the 360 rule here, which is going to touch this line, and then we're gonna be going down again. So if we go up from here, we might see something like this coming to touch the 360 line. You can even break it out from there just to come back and touch this zone. And then from there, we'll come back and see this. We will come back and see this TP here. So our zone is this zone where we're going to be seeing buys. We're going to be looking for sells on this zone as well because that's how it's going to be. So let's see. I think that's basically it with US 30, guys. I'm gonna be breaking it down one more time, maybe tomorrow, and see where the market is. If I see any changes, I'll let you know, guys. I don't want to make this video long, and then yeah, guys, let's see how it goes. This is US 30. I'm gonna jump into Nasdaq and see what's happening with Nasdaq. I'm looking at Nasdaq 15 minutes. The zone is going up, and then if I'm going back to US 30, we're seeing this is going up. So Nasdaq is basically in front of US 30 at the moment. So meaning we're gonna see US 30 going up from there. So keep an eye on it, and yeah, wait for it, and don't be don't be quick to trade. Always wait for your zones. Just set your target and say, okay, when the market reaches this level, this is where I'm going to sell. When the market reaches this level, this one I'm going to buy. So yeah, with Nasdaq, guys, I'll start on a daily time frame just to finish this quickly. I'm just going to do this one quick. Identify our zones on Nasdaq as well. This is what we have. There's our highest point for Nasdaq. Nas100, guys. And yeah, this is the broker that I'm using, guys, trade 245. And if when I'm trading the the pairs I'm using XNES. So what I'll be doing is I'll put the link on the description below. So if you want to join this broadcast, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna specify another. Right, I see another one here where the market is right now. This is another nice zone that we had there. We had another one somewhere here, which is this one. So we saw some support and resistance there. So I'm just going to go to the smaller time frame. So from there, on the smaller time frame, let's see what trend we are having. Are we having same thing that we are seeing with the US30? Yes or no? I don't know. Let's see. So this is our trend. We are expecting a 360 touch here. So, but as you can see, we are below the trend line that I just mentioned there on D1. So meaning we're gonna have more momentum to push to the downside, guys. So, but it's not going to be long because we are seeing another support here. Resistance. Actually, yeah, that's the support here. So this is the support. If we push down to this level, we're not gonna go far. So basically that's what we have there. I'm just going to break it down again to this zone again, but it's smaller zones basically. So let's go to the smaller time frame. I think Nasdaq and USDT are doing the exactly same thing. We just need to make sure that we understand what's going on. So here's the first touch, second touch, waiting for the third touch. Once we see a third touch, and if the third touch comes here, guys, if the third touch comes somewhere here, you know that this thing is gonna give you a very nice sell, guys. We're gonna get a very nice sell and up until this level. So that's what we're gonna be looking at, guys. This is Nasdaq, guys. If we are looking at Nasdaq, look at it from these zones, and I'm just going to specify this zone with a shade here so that we can see it nicely. So this is the zone that we are looking at. This can confuse you guys. You see, another one is we have like zones closing from here, but our what do we call? Our trend line is basically here. So, but yeah, just make sure that when the market comes to play on these zones, we might see spikes coming to take out people who are selling from here. So yeah, that's why I like to buy after we are above the zone and below the zone mostly. So that's basically what I'm seeing with Nasdaq. And yeah, guys, I'm seeing a very nice trade here. We're going to see. Tomorrow is NFP, guys. Make sure that you fund your accounts. We're gonna trade this thing together and make some money. Let's see. This is what we have. I think we're seeing exactly the same thing that we saw with US30. Nasdaq, US30, they're always moving on the same pattern. See what we are seeing here. The zone is saying we broke out, so we need to see a small momentum to the downside. Uh, I haven't I haven't showed my trend. See what I was talking about when I said if US30 breaks below. I like to see this kind of trends because if we break below this, we invalidating the trade, meaning we might push to the downside. Once we test here, remember this, it's on the zone here. So we might see a retest from that zone and push to the downside one more time, guys. So once we push to the downside, where was I? Cool, guys. We might see the downside and then push to the downside. And then once we come back to the trend there, it's going to be a massive uptrend, guys. So I think let me just leave it here with the Nasdaq because there's nothing else I can show you from here beside the zones that I have. Let's see how it goes tomorrow, guys. I'll update you if anything changes with the movement.